I am Panchal Nisar. I am from Aryan Institute of Commerce. I have targeted 95% in my board examination. I would like to tell you about the importance of examination conducted in the classes. Every Saturday, the Aryan Institute conducts examination. You should always do an examination with a full preparation like it were a board examination. You should not take it lightly, and that step-by-step preparation will lead to a greater success. Thank you.
Myself Lakhani Rinkar. I am in from 12th standard in Aryan Institute of Commerce. My target is 95% up. Thank you for motivating us and support us for better study. And this is my
Start. My name is Vedant Shah. Actually, in 10th standard, I didn't study much. Then also, I got good percentage. But in Aryan Institute, the faculty is so nice that it motivates us and supports us to score above 90%. Also, the action plan in which the whole week they focus on one subject and also clears the doubt, which is also supporting. And also the examination conducted in Aryan Institute is also very motivating, and it helps us to generate more marks in board exam. Thank you.
Ask, repeat. Card बताओ. My name is Gautam Soni. I am from Aryan Institute of Commerce. This institute is very supporting and motivating us for scoring 95 and above. My goal in 10th standard was 70% above, but in Aryan Institute I can motivated to score 90% above. Thank you.
Arpan Shah. I have achieved 70% in 10th, but I have hold 90% up in 12th because of Aryan Institute. They have motivated me to achieve that much goal for my career, and they have helped me a lot to do these works.
My name is Dev Patel. I am from Aryan Institute, and I have set my goal as 90% above. And I am first of all thanking the Aryan Institute because of their practices, and that's why I am able to achieve this goal. I am sure about it.
I am Panchal Nisar. I am from Aryan Institute of Commerce. I have targeted 95% in my board examination. I would like to tell you about the importance of examination conducted in the classes. Every Saturday, the Aryan Institute conducts examination. You should always do an examination with a full preparation like it were a board examination. You should not take it lightly, and that step-by-step preparation will lead to a greater success. Thank you.
My name is Subhoit Hazra. I am from 12th J. My board percentage target is 75%, and I am giving some introduction about Aryan classes. These classes is so much helpful about I started since in standard 12th only, and I have deserved many much efforts after in 12th standard. In 11th standard that much efforts I have not given, so my percentage was so low, and the sirs are very helpful to me, and I have started some giving efforts to my result, and I will achieve the 75 target in my board's results.
My name is Modi Dhruv. I am from 12J batch, and I targeted for the board exam 75%.
Hello, my name is Harsh Prakash Bhai Sanmukhani. I am studying in Nelson Primary School. My board target is 85%. I am willing to get it. Thank you.
My name is Yashi Singh. I am from standard 12th Commerce, batch H from Aryan Institute of Commerce. I have targeted 85% up because of my hard work and smart work. Thank you for supporting us.
myself Prerna Thakur. My main goal of achieving 12th standard is achieving above 90%. Thanks for helping and guiding me in better studies, and I got very good faculty in Aryan Institute of Commerce.
Hi, my name is Vidhi Mewara. I am in 12H. I want to score 85% and more. Aryan Institute is very good for the commerce field. It provides a very good education for and supporting for scoring more marks, and it also held action plan programs to score more marks, and and they also provide some tips to how to write in board exams. So from that we can score more marks, and they are also providing good education. Thank you.
My name is Patel Kanjari. I'm in 12th. I'm scoring 75 and above. Aryan class is very good class, and my percentage was increased in action plan. It's a good class and very nice education.
Hi, my name is Maishali. And my target is to achieve 75% up, and I have scored marks in action plan, and this an action plan. That's it. Hi, my name is Patel Dhruvi, and I am in 12th standard. My target in board is 85 plus, and I am studying in Aryan Institute. It provides many facilities for more education. They provides action plan, and it helps in our career, in commerce career. Thank you.
I am from 12th high. Aryan, my board target is 75 plus. Aryan Institute is very good for studies in commerce field. Aryan classes provide us many informations of studies, knowledge, and etc.
English from My name is Nidhi Thakkar. I'm in 12th H in Aryan classes, and my target is 80 up. When I was in 11th, I was not giving my too much importance in studies because no guidance was given to me. But after taking admission in Aryan, I have many sir and teachers have given me a good guidelines, and from that I have achieved my target 80% in 12th, and I want to be in a good college. Here every source and teachers are motivating for our target which we have decided in 12th.
My name is Rajput Kushi. I am from Aryan Institute. After coming in this institute, my target is 80 up, because in this institute, in every single lecture, in every day, sir and teachers are motivating us for achieving our target, and I am trying my best for doing my target and achieving my target, and I will try to proud all the teachers and my parents.
I am from Aryan Institute of Commerce. I am not good in studies, but in this student, the teachers are giving more confidence in ourselves, and my score is 85 up in 12th board exam.
My name is Thakkar Ashka. I am studying in 12th I in Aryan Institute. After coming here, I am achieving more in studies. My target is 75 plus percentage in board. Students and teachers are motivating me here regularly. Teachers are helping in studies till board exam, and seeing other students, we are motivating to get good marks.
My name is Renatra Azari, and I am studying in Aryan Institute in 12th I batch. My goal is 75 plus percentage. Your teachers are very helpful to us in every study we want, and every doubt are solved by them. From here I am glad that my goal will achieve.
My name is Tisha Dutta. I study in 12th standard from Aryan Institution, and my target is 80%, and I see my target 80% up because of Aryan Institution sir and teachers.
My name is Pooja Singh. 12th I am getting my target achievement of 80%, and teachers motivate us, Vipul sir, Snehal sir give motivation, and I get 80%. I am studying in Aryan Institute of Commerce. My target is 80% up, and due to regular exams and motivation of teachers, I hope that I will achieve my target.
બરાબર વર્ષે છે મારે 10th માં 72% આવ્યા હતા પણ મને 12thમાં તો કોન્ફિડન્સ નહોતો કે મારે વધારે માર્ક આવ્યો બટ અહીંયા આવ્યા પછી મને એવું લાગે છે કે હું 80 અપ જઈ શકીશ અને મને એનો પૂરો વિશ્વાસ છે અને પૂરે સર બધા અને ટીચર્સ બધા અહીંયા આપણને ભણવા માટે પૂરેપૂરો પ્રોત્સાહન આપે તેથી હું લાવી શકીશ.
My name is Mansi Bhandarian. I am from Aryan Institute of Commerce. I want to achieve 85+% in 12th board, and I am so confident I will achieve it because teachers and sirs are motivating us and they are guiding us to do the hard work.
My name is Hardi Dhruva. I am studying in Aryan Institute of Commerce. My target is to achieve 65 or 70% up, and I want to become an honors. Thank you.
I'm Palak Dave. I'm studying in Aryan Institute of Commerce, and my target is to achieve 70% and Aryan Institute is a very good institute. There is a very good study in that, and very action plans are held, and it's very good. Thank you.